Yeah, man. I didn't realize it was over.